In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the window channel seal on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Take this panel off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. There's a couple of clips holding it on, and then it slides up. Take this bezel out. Just use a trim tool, pop it up, and it slides out. There's a couple clips holding that on there. You can disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab, slide that out. Pop this cover off, just using a trim tool. Slides right out. And down below here, trim tool. Pop that out, just pull the handle up a little bit, and it slides back. There should be a screw right here. Use a 7mm socket, take that screw out. There's another one right here. Take that out. And then behind the handle right here. Grabbing the door, we're gonna just lift up slightly. It slides out. Disconnect the connector if you have this speaker here. Then there's another light down below. Just grab the socket to the light and just pull it out. With the key on, I'm just going to plug the connector back in for the window. Lower the window all the way down. Now I can disconnect the connector again. And turn the key off. Pull back on the vapor barrier. There's a screw right here. Use a 10mm socket. Take that screw out. Use a magnet if you need to. Over here, take this screw out. Same 10mm socket. Pull that out. You can just slide that to the side. Take this insulation out where the mirror is. Disconnect the connector. This little tab right there. Slide that off. And you have 3 10mm nuts. Just use a 10mm socket. Take those out. Before you take the last one out, make sure you support the mirror so it doesn't fall. Grab the mirror, there we go, and slide it off. Take this outer trim piece off, just use a trim tool, get underneath here, just pop it up. It slides up and out. Grab the window channel seal and just pull it down. It slides out. There is a guide that's attached on this side. Just slide the guide off. It slides out. There's a guide on the other side. Slip that out as well. And this comes off. Just like that. Take this bracket, line this up, and slide that in place. We'll slide this bracket in. Get it in position. Get this started right in the corner. Slide that in. before we install the rest of it. This channel is going to go over here. This bracket. Get that lined up. Push that in place. And just push it all the way back in. That's good. Put the screws in here. Snug those down, make sure that little tab's there. Same with over here. There's a little tab in there, you want that lined up. Put that screw in. Snug those down. Slide this piece in here. This goes in the corner first. And make sure it's on the outside of the window. Push it down. Slide the mirror in place. Push the wiring harness through the center. And the studs. Get one of the nuts started before you let go of the mirror. Make sure it's started pretty good. You can let go. Put the nuts on. Snug those down. Connect the connector. Put the insulation in. Slide the vapor barrier back in place. If you need some butyl tape, you can put some on the back side or secure it with some other type of tape. Put the screws in. Snug those down. If you have that other screw there, put that in right there. Put this cover on over the handle. Put the front part in and then push down in the back. If any of your clips stayed in here, you want to pop those clips out. Put them in the back of the bezel. Connect the connector. Slide this in the back and get the clips lined up. And push it down. The button for the door locks, slide that in place. Push it in, make sure it works. Line this cover up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.